Okay. Kids, today we are going to say about the farm animals. I'll be asking questions. You have to answer. Manvita, close the book. Okay. What do pig gives us? Who knows the answer? Yes, Charvika.
Pig gives us meat.
Very good. And the second one, what do cow gives us? Anum.
Ma'am gives us beef.
Very good. Next, on what we ride? On which animal we ride?
Ma'am,
Yes, Javeria.
we ride on the horse.
Very good. And what do duck gives us? Hanish.
Duck gives us eggs.
Good. Sit down. What do sheep gives us?
Ma'am,
Laya.
sheep gives us wool.
Okay. What do sheep gives us, Manvita?
Sheep gives us meat.
Sheep gives us meat and ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಉಲ್ಲನ್ ಉಲ್ಲನ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಸೋಫಿಯಾ ಸೇ ಲೌಡ್ಲಿ good and what do goat gives us? Yes, Samarth. Goat gives us very good. And who carry the loads? Who carry the loads? Yes, Purvik. Very good. And who plows the fields? Tejas. Very good. Next. And that's it.